morning. My name is Adali Dakhani. Today I will say about farm animals. Farm animals are those found in the farm. Little Adali had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he has some chicks. E-I-E-I-O. With a chick here and chick there. Here chick, there chick, everywhere chick. Little Adali had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he has some dogs. E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and quack quack there. Here quack, there quack, everywhere quack quack. Little Adali had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he has some cat. E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and meow meow there. Here meow, there meow, everywhere meow meow. Little Adali had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he has some dogs. E-I-E-I-O. With a bow bow here and bow bow there. Here bow, there bow, everywhere bow bow. Little Adali had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he has some pigs. E-I-E-I-O. With a grung grung here and grung grung there. Here grung, there grung, everywhere grung grung. Little Adali had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he has some horse. E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh neigh here and neigh neigh there. Here neigh, there neigh, everywhere neigh neigh. Little Adali had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he has some sheep. E-I-E-I-O. With a baba here and baba there. Here ba, there ba, everywhere baba. Little Adali had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he has some cow. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo here and moo there. Here moo, there moo, everywhere moo. Little Adali had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O. Now I will show you few farm animals. This is a hen. Young one of hen is called chick. Hen lives in a coop. Hen use us an egg. This is a duck. Young one of duck is called duckling. Duck lives in a pond. This is a cat. Young one of cat is called kitten. Cat lives in a cattery. Cat eats rat and drinks milk. This is a dog. Young one of dog is called puppy. Dog lives in a kennel. Dog eats meat. This is a pig. Young one of pig is called piglet. Pig lives in a sty. This is a horse. Young one of horse is called foal. Horse lives in a stable. Horse eats grass and ground. This is a goat. Young one of आजी वाह वाह वाह, आजी वाह वाह वाह। एक बिल्ली हमारी कैसी बैठी, बेचारी लगे हम सबको पाती। आजी वाह वाह वाह, आजी वाह वाह वाह। चुपके चुपके सी आती और चूहे जट से पकड़ती, वो तो कुत्ते से डरती। आजी वाह वाह वाह, आजी वाह वाह वाह। एक कुत्ता हमारा कैसे बैठा, बेचारे लगे हम सबको पाला। आजी वाह वाह वाह, आजी वाह वाह वाह। चुपके चुपके सी आता और बिल्ली को पकड़ता, वो तो डंडे से डरता। आजी वाह वाह वाह, आजी वाह वाह वाह। थैंक यू।